Hello everybody, I am Priyanshi Jain, a PGDM student at SOIL, and right now I'm going to give you the step-by-step process of how the placement works here in SOIL. So in total, the placement process is broken down into 7 major steps. So the number 1 step is identifying interest areas. As soon as the program starts, we delve into multiple activities that helps us identify the kind of interest we have. In the orientation, we have an industry day where we sit across with multiple industry leaders and get to know about the kind of industries or the sectors that we would like to indulge ourselves into. Then from CMS teams and placement committees, we get help identifying multiple career surveys, and we have one-on-one counseling sessions that helps us understand what is the best fit for us, what is the kind of industry that we can go into. So the second step is preparation for students. Now preparation is a major part here at SOIL. It plays a huge role into building the confidence for students. There's an extensive process that goes behind, has 6 steps. The 6 major steps starts from communication, personal branding, AI and digital transformation, critical thinking and problem solving, and industry and company knowledge. By including all of these processes into the preparation of all the students, our CDS team and the placement committee make sure that we are interview and industry ready. Moreover, from day 1, we go through resume building workshops. There are mock interview sessions, there are aptitude tests that are supposed to be taken. There are multiple industry leaders that come across and take our GDs, and that's how we get prepared for our interviews. And all of these processes helps us sharpen our skills. The CMS team and the placement committee make sure that we're ready to win over the recruiters. It's like a boot camp for our careers. So the third step in the process is inviting companies, where CMS team and the placement committee invites companies on the campus basis on our interests and specializations. Then the company send us their profiles, the job profiles, whatever that is that they're looking for in the candidates. So all in all, it is like a tailored approach that ensures whether we are the right fit for the companies. So the fourth step is pre-placement talk, where companies come to our campus and they give presentations telling us how their organizations are, telling us about the culture that the organization has. This is one of those interesting processes where we get to interact with the industry leaders one-on-one. We get to ask them whatever questions we have in mind, and it gives that real feel of how it will be like to be in that company. It is like one of those speed dating, but for jobs. Number 5 is shortlisting of companies. After the talks, we receive multiple job descriptions from multiple companies, and then we analyze these job descriptions to see whether they align with our career goals and interests and the specializations that we have taken. This is a very simple process. It happens with our online portal. This step is all about finding the right match for the students and the company. So the 6th step is shortlisting companies. We apply for the positions that fit our interest and specialization. The whole selection process involves group discussions, written tests, and psychometric tests. Different companies has a unique style of going forward and picking students out from multiple B schools, but whatever comes our way, we're always prepared for it. It's a bit nerve-wracking, but it's also exciting. So the 7th step is interview process and offer. After the initial screenings, we move on to the major round, that is the interview process, and these can include multiple rounds like technical skills, business acumen, and leadership abilities. The whole process is intense, but the preparation really pays off. I'll tell you, there are some of the alums who are placed at the biggest of companies. For example, Big Fours, Infosys, Dabur, Gartner, Mahindra & Mahindra, etc. And that is the placement process at SOIL. From a student's perspective, it is a comprehensive journey designed to ensure that every student finds the right opportunity. Thank you so much. You can also look for the website link for further more details.